Champ barbecuers. Today we are actually reviewing the setup in my Weber 26 with that naked basket from Slowhand over at the woodshed and the heat deflector that I built. And let me show you. Here's the setup ready to go. So with that basket there, fill it up with whatever kind of charcoal that you like. Light it up, get it going, put your deflector on there, the heat diffuser, and I have now been putting a pan in there. I'll show you that setup, but these risers were very helpful as well. The raise that grill, the grate. This naked basket in the Weber kettle is awesome. I've saved so much money in charcoal this year because it doesn't really use a lot. And it will cook for hours upon hours. And check it out. I got some royal oak lump in there. Put in an extra grate off an old drill in there to hold the charcoal better so they don't fall down in, and when you're trying to use that ash swipe there, it's a pain. So anyway, we get that lit up, and then that heat deflector that I built with some pizza pans, and I put a pizza stone on the inside of the tube, bolted them together, and I wrap it with aluminum foil for easy cleanup. And I started putting a pan on top. If you want to put water in it, it is what it is, but it's great for catching all the grease. So you save yourself a lot of cleanup there as well. This works magnificent, guys. Link for this basket is down below. Go get yourself one. What you're gonna save in charcoal in just a few cooks is amazing. You'll be shocked, and it cooks so steady and easy. And also these risers for the grill grate, check these out. That raises that grill grate up to give you more room from that basket, because when you put that basket in, it actually raises it up just a touch, but this raises it a couple more inches, almost, yeah, right around 2.5 inches it looks like. And the cooks on this have been amazing this summer. I am so happy with it. It's pretty much all I've been using. Every now and then I'll kick on the Pit Boss, the Weber 26 with the Slow and Sear. Blackstone is what it is, but this been my number one. Oh, hell yeah. So I'm going to get this lit up. Once we get a good char going on those coals, I'm going to put the heat deflector on there and the pan and get it set up, and we're ready to rock and roll, and we're going to start cooking something. That'll be for the next video. Anyway, this is an awesome setup. Go get yourself a naked basket. If you have a Weber kettle, oh hell yeah.